Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Asika Rai. I'm here today with some cool tricks for women. As we all know how annoying is facial unwanted hair to women. So here I am to teach you how to do threading to yourself. I have been doing my upper lips and eyebrow threading for a while. Of course, in the beginning, it takes a little practice. But once you hang on there, it will be really easy to do. So keep practicing till you become perfect. I hope this video will be helpful to you guys too and save a lot of money by not going to waxing or threading every few weeks. Before I start this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Let me talk a little bit about threading first before I start this video. Threading is the method that you use thread to get rid of facial unwanted hair like forehead, eyebrows, upper lips. It is inexpensive to do at home. All you need is thread and other few other things. I'm going to put all the necessary things in the description below. Let me show you how this threading works before I go in detail. This is the threading thread I'm going to use. It looks like the sewing thread, but it is little different than the sewing thread. It is little thicker and easy to do threading. You can take this thread like about 20 inch. You have to double this. You just estimate. You don't have to measure. Don't make too long because it will be hard to control. Make the knot in the side and put your fingers inside the thread. You can either use 4 fingers or 3 fingers, and I like comfortable doing 4 fingers. And after that I twist it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I usually like to do 8, 7 or 8. Then after that, how it's going to work is whichever here you want to get it off, you have to put inside the loop, and then when you pull this way, the hair is going to come out like this, and you have to go this way also. You have to pull the hair from opposite direction of its growth. So if I was to do threading of my, I have already done threading. I'm going to show you this in detail. I'm going to explain how it works. If I'm to do threading of this eyebrow, then I'm going to use guideline this down thread. This make the line straight line as a guideline, and I'm not going to move that line, and I'm going to just keep the thread like go like this. Put all the unwanted here. Put all the unwanted eyebrow inside the loop, and without moving the right side, this down thread, that will be my guideline. So just pull this way. Like, you cannot you have to be careful, otherwise you will mess up your eyebrow shape. If you just pull everything out, and you can pull out even your eyebrow or eyelashes, so you have to be careful. Once I'm done like this, in the top you can go even the forehead, in the middle, and you can go the side the same way, the right side down thread as a guideline, and threading like this. Once on the top line is done, I'm going to do on the down side of this left eyebrow. And when I'm doing that, I'm going to use this right hand side upper thread is going to be my guideline. When I go this way, I start from here and put the unwanted hair inside the loop and pull like this. upper thread as a guideline. I don't want to go too much inside like this and I can get a hole. I don't want that. Once I go like little bit, few little eyebrow and go all around, then after that I go to the down all the eyelid. And once I finish this side, I go the same process. In the left hand side, this down thread is going to be my guideline of the upper eyebrow shape. And once I do this, I'm going to like go like this. Like this. And after that, I'm going to go the side also. If you have more here in the forehead, you can go, but you can do threading in the forehead also. Some people can do in the chin area and in the cheek, all face they do, but I don't have much here, so I do only in the eyebrow and upper lips. So once it is done on the top, you can use this left side upper thread as a guideline in the down of there. And once you do this, put the unwanted here. You in the face, in the threading, usually you have to make the this skin taut like this, like in the same way of eyebrow. But when you're doing yourself, there is no way you can hold the skin taut by like this. So you try your best, like little raising your eyebrow and try to make skin taut little bit. That is the best you can do. And after that, you can use this thread as a guideline and put whatever inside the loop is going to come out. You can take your time. You need a little bit of practice, but you will get there. Like this, take little by little. You don't have to go from all the way here to there. You can go little by little here, little, and make the straight line. Threading makes a more nicer shape than the waxing, because you can go the really close to the shape. Waxing, you cannot toss the other eyebrow, but in the threading you can make really nice shape, whatever shape you want. Once you go there like this, go this way also in the side. Once you go to the line, once you make the already line, then you can go down. Then you don't have to worry about messing up the shapes. Just keep going like this and try to make the skin taut. And I have in the middle also, so I already have done it. I'm going to show you in the video, like in the you can go from this way. Now I'm going to show you doing my eyebrow threading in a detail and what are the materials required for it. We need this hairband. I'm going to use this threading thread. I'm going to put all the products what I'm going to use today in the description box. So if you are interested, you can check down below, okay? And after that, I'm going to use this talcum powder, but I have put in the small box to use it for easier. And I have some cotton square I put in the box for easy. I have this cleanser and this post application lotion. And here it's spoolie and tweezer. I'm going to wrap this around my head so the hair will not bother in my face. After that, I'm going to take this cotton square and use this cleanser to remove my makeup and minimize inflammation. This is really good product. After that, I'm going to use powder. When I start threading at my eyebrow, I always start from the upper line of the eyebrow. When I go like this line, like, because here is going this side, and I have to pull the hair from the opposite direction, and I have to pull the hair from opposite direction like this, and I have to go like this, and make this thread really straight wherever you want to make the straight line, and pull the hair out like that. Let me do here, okay? Whatever you want to take the hair off, you put inside this loop and make this line straight, like go this way. I've already saved the eyebrow from the upper side. I'm going to do the same thing in the down side also. Especially when we're doing this threading to the another person, we have to make sure this skin is taut, like this, like the same shape of eyebrow. But since I have nobody here, I cannot do that, so I try my best without holding the skin taut. In the downside, I have to use this top thread to make the straight line, like this way. Whatever I put inside the loop, I'm going to pull the hair out. I go from here, I start from a little bit, because I don't want to go all the way here and I pull the other hair out. I want to take little by little my time. I try to make the straight line like this. First, I'm going to go to the eyebrow shape. Then after that, I'm going to go whatever it is left over on the down. I'm going to brush my eyebrow with a spoolie, and to make sure if there is any other eyebrow I have to take out. See, with the powder you can really see where you already have done threading. You can see the really nice shape. Where there is more powder, you still have to do more threading. Some eyebrows are going to the right side, so I have to go towards the left side using like this. I'm going to threading in the middle also. When you do in the middle, don't go too far down because it can take this eyebrow and eyelashes. So wherever you want to take the hair out, only use the thread up to there. Only twist the hair up to there. So this is the one side is done. I'm going to take this powder off and see how much is the difference without threading and not threading. So this side is done threading, this side is not done threading yet. So you can see the difference. I will repeat the same process in this side also. Once it is done, I put post-application lotion with a cotton pad. If there is a really small eyebrow, you cannot get it with the thread, then you can use a tweezer. If you have longer eyebrow, then you can comb it upward and you can use scissor to trim your longer eyebrow. But in my case, I don't have to use scissor. What do you think about this threading trick? Please comment below. Let me know how it's going to work with you. If you have any more questions, let me know. I'm really happy to see your comments. Thank you so much for watching my video. I need your love and support. So please like my video, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate you guys. Please help me grow my channel. Here's my Instagram. You guys can follow me at Instagram. And here is my Facebook page. Please like my Facebook page. I really appreciate you guys for your help, support, love and everything else. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I love you all. I hope to see you in next video. Till then, bye bye. I love you.